Hi guys, we received the new version of a Keple memory card, which has a microSD SD adapter and a USB reader also. So I want to show you how USB reader works, because it's quite interesting technology and interesting way of using it. So basically I have unpacked all three elements here, and so this is the reader, small and very small and very black, put it this way. Okay, so this is microSD card which we want to read. So the way to use it is, at the first you kind of got used to putting the microSD that way behind the actual USB, but with new version how it works, you basically insert this, inside the actual USB stick. Have a look. So we have our readers there inside, we have reading devices, and the way you put it in is like that. This is front, this is back. You put it on back, slot it in like this. Here you go, and the whole thing goes inside a USB slot like that. It's a little bit tight, but it works. And now, if you just watch for the new devices, it should come up as a new device, which is boom, no name. So here you go. So that's how new Keple USB reader and memory cards works.